ever conscious Edo people worldwide, I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwenokwodin. I won't deceive you. Today, I am not really happy. I was perturbed with what I saw with my very eyes this morning while I was going to a destination designed to address the specific issues that borders on my private life. On our way going, we saw a young man along Pipeline Junction. He was shot. Passersby did all they could to save him. And I think by the power of God, that young man may not die. But the point is this: our citizens need to be wise. Killing your brothers, your mates, is not enough to measure ruggedity, nor stupidity, nor strength. I considered the actions of these persons as stupid actions. Now, nobody pays you for killing anybody. You got no gain from killing anybody. You just want to reign so that they will say, "These men are the men leading." So what are you benefiting from this nonsense? The truth of the matter is very simple. Our youth, upcoming youth, should know that cultism is evil. Don't join. Do not make that mistake. Do not make that mistake to engage yourself in cultism. I can authoritatively speak like this publicly because I am not a member of any occultic organization, and I will never be. In fact, I am bigger than the stage of persons who will go and join one organization, all in a bid to be drinking beer in public and be carrying different women. Which gain are you getting from it? Now, let me quickly open up something to us all. The negative implication of cultism is so numerous that cannot be overemphasized. Now, when you kill a young graduate who happens to be a doctor or a lawyer or an engineer, a professional town planner such as Osakwenokwodin and many others, God forbid, when you kill those kind of people, you will be counting 10, 21, 32 with human life, failing to understand that if you kill one doctor, you have killed more than 1,000 of those citizens. Because if that doctor practices, that doctor will eventually find solution and remedy to the health challenge of numerous Edo people. So killing your future generation amounts to destroying Edo State. You might be thinking that you are ready. You might be ready now, but you are going to change like a weather. You are going to change like a weather. How much are they paying you? Even if they are paying you, will you go and kill people in the street, all in a bid to satisfy your quest as the most stubborn man in your territory? Will you? I want to quickly say this publicly. Edo youth should be wise. Not even Edo youth, Benin youth. This is the truth. Benin youth, not Edo youth. Because in Esan land, they hardly kill their brothers, even while cultism exists in that area. I spent so many years as a student in Auchi Polytechnic before I furthered my education. I can authoritatively tell you that all through my period in that school, not only 2008, that was only when an indigene was shot in that school. Indigene tells themselves, Erama, 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 Erama. But here in Benin, we want to show that we are the king of killing. This is the bitter truth. You come out with a gun, you face your fellow brother, boom, you say 1-0, boom, 1-1, boom, 2-1. At the end of the day, you remain a wretched person in the society. But you are killing. You are killing. You may be thinking that you are one of the greatest men of all time. No, you are not great. You are as worthless as Zimbabwean dollar. I will tell, let's be factual. The problem of Edo State today trickles to Benin youths. That's the truth. I am a Benin man, a typical one at that. Okandi, Okandi, obviously, not be even Benin men go nowhere to be your candy. But why on earth must our people continue to see themselves as animals? I choose not to speak on this issue since the reason is that they know themselves. They should continue to kill themselves. Now they sabi. You are coming now to blame the governor. You are coming now to call on the police to secure you. But you went to school. And when I knew you at TAB, you went there. You want me to send and they rule the campus. You went to go and join. You join finish. You come area. You even now tat conductor, wheelbarrow pusher are part of the game. Killings everywhere. And go and check the group of people. Go and check the group of people doing this killing. Then if you see they're very wretched set of people. But for now, they'll ask you, you'll say, you the rain. You are not raining. You are an egocentric disgrace to Edo people. A disgrace. That's who you are. Please oblige me with the opportunity to I just they get code now. They send me message say my data they expire. So let me quickly recharge. I never knew. So I choose to keep mute. But if we say Moku just shut up, Moku let all these people they misbehave. You know go where? But it's so painful. You come out, you carry gun. Excuse me 1 minute, please. Let me sub. Okay. Sorry for the time. I've done that. Now, at the end of the day, you'll see them. They'll say, man, not them. They drink beer, they smoke Morocco. I know they condemn beer. I know they would condemn Morocco. But they condemn you for coming out after taking those things. Use that to cause problem in our society. No need for excuses. Whether somebody committed, they say government officials, security agencies, and more are cultists and also encouraging it in one way or the other. I may agree with you, but person will get sense. Suppose no say, he need to use your personal orientation to do things. If you say me you pass the streets of Edo and Nigeria, it dey hard before you see you to another court. But the question is, what did you do after becoming a member? Because if you say you want to arrest and destroy all the courts, you end up finishing almost all Edo people. We not many way free. We not many way free. But the question is, you don't find yourself in that situation. Why don't you use your brain and withdraw yourself from all these unnecessary issues? Why don't you withdraw yourself from these unnecessary killings that is creating problem in our society? Someone do and make they say that the rain. Now them, now our area they lead the war. Which nonsense war? Which nonsense war? You get weapon. Animal food bush, you know key. You carry the weapon, come out. They find youth like you want shoot. Now jealousy be one of the major things behind cultism. Envy. It's so painful now, say at times that they go to kill innocent soul. At times, they'll go kill innocent soul because they envy that person. They say, we don't know. Oh, now mistaken identity. They don't used to kill her. So please, you guys should stop these killings. If you kill a doctor, you have killed over 1,500 persons. Because throughout the practice of this doctor, is going to save so many lives. You carry gun, you shoot her. He die. You say 1-0. Tomorrow, as we speak today, since after these elections and within the election in Edo State, now no say Edo people get the capacity to build Edo, but they are afraid to return to this town. They are afraid to return to this town. I received more than 6 calls yesterday till now. Say, come we are tired, we might return by him now. I be no one talk. Make una come into the school and say, una don't tire. Una go rest. When una continue to the kill yourself, una go rest. But I look at, I have to say something. When you go on do, you cannot move freely. If you wear shoe way fine, you wear shirt way they okay, you wear jeans way make sense. Does this one why you're the phone now? This one why you're the phone now. Jealousy don't start. They just look for every available war where they want to go find each other key. May they take key people. So the truth of the matter is simple. And you don't find yourself in court in the past. Not be the issue. The issue is, what are you still doing with the activity? Because if you say me you arrest or may you fish out all courts in the Edo State, believe me, virtually almost all youths. I don't talk now, some of us free. Few. Now free. But now, some of these same youths, they will be saying they don't want to do again. They don't tire. Where they go stay for the house, this new upcoming children, whether they recruit, will come out. Now they spoil everywhere they go to. Now them, they spoil everywhere they go to. You kill one person, they'll come and say, who kill another guy? Hey, more like give her office. In the office with no salary. Nothing. See, I be more than let this Edo self get good name. I want to tell you today, Edos around the world get the capacity to turn Edo to Dubai. In 6 years, Edo will be Dubai. But they are afraid. They are afraid to come to Edo. Mostly the women for inside. If they hear you say, they say, Mawami on Facebook, you walk below she cannot come again. Men they see if you get me say we want come. But the women go just fear. And these are the people who have the economic war chest to build SME in Edo State. When the young year say, today, I ask this one, they not tell me, I did drive past. Me and my family, we went somewhere. Now see the boy for guy the road, they shoot him. He never even reached 7 minutes after the shooting. When we reach there, they drive past. I not wait, oh. I not wait. We know you see the one we ever say, yeah, okay, now that guy does election period. Whoa. I'm sorry, drive my own pass. I move past my own jejely. They're not, this set of people, one of the basic foundation of courtesan is envy and jealousy. If this rival court A C and say rival court B, they get one youth where you graduate, and that youth now professional, they send in the ring. Though they look for war where they want to go kill them. And don't wake on no wigbo as they. You can't no wigbo or as they. As I just see and say, man, that one, you see, even in this video, somebody they put red head. Me, I know they worry for red head. But that is to say, this kind of statement, for us to make sure, say, we sensitize our people, you not like them, you want the killings to continue. After they don't smoke drugs, they don't drink beer, they don't do many codeine, ref no. They're gonna see another fellow youth like Nama, that to shoot on under their man. This thing is so pathetic. Now again, so people say the army, the police. Let me tell you, the army cannot do it. The police cannot do it. No matter the tactical team, they can't do it. First, we must follow the role and the roadmap that Obaseki is already putting on ground. Let these people go and learn 1 or 2 work. Edo Industrial Hub, they. As they learn, government should get ready for empowerment. As they come out, chip out something. When you chip out something for them to start their business, when they are arrested, you arrest them, take them to prison. Inside that prison, may they learn the work. May we get, because for normal, we call prison a correctional center. Swear not go work. We swear. Forget swear not go work. They must train these people on how to do something. Let me tell you, when you don't know how to, you don't get you to do. You stay for ground, they smoke only weed. When they from one, they tell another one. Get it clearly. I not say people when they smoke weed are bad people. No. Now what do you do after weed? Now me I get issue with. Because with their way, say some pastors they will be say if they never smoke weed, they don't feel preach. So I'm not against that. But what did you do after the weed? So government must, first of all, use the economic tool. Economic tool. It will be a carrot and stick approach. Economic tool will be coming, then the military tool will be coming. The security tool will be coming. Say you say, cash, beat them, kill them, take them to prison. The remaining one way they go out. Prison. If prison they stop crime for another day again. Economic tool must be involved. Economic tool must be involved. Now, when these people are arrested, correctional center should be able to start to correct them. At least if somebody spent 5 years for prison, as they come out for that prison, it's either he's a professional this or a professional that. That is what prison ought to be. That is what prison ought to be. While they are there, they must be corrected. Say you say, just destroy them. They will continue. And again, If we want to put an end to this issue, it is easy. I have submitted a proposal before to the government. And I know during the elections, it was difficult for the government to look into it. We have a way of addressing this problem. We can address this problem. We can. Who can. See, sensitization is very important. Are you aware that to date, there are some persons who don't get access to media like this? He not get as evil as an individual will be when he hear an enlightenment we never hear before. He must get second thought. One Mavis Perry says, swear say you not be cultist. Okay, I will do that immediately. I will do that. I will not sweep it under the carpet. I will do it immediately. First, I want to state this categorically clear that I am not a cultist. One. And secondly, if I am a cultist, myself and my first son should die in my very face. And if I go back to return this curse, anything I put my hands here and in the future will destroy my very face. I am not, and I will never be. But at this stage, nobody can come to Sakwinok waiting to come and tell him he get one group with day now. You the Chris? Get it clearly. Get it clearly. Do not misconstrue cultism and stubbornness. Whether you do anywhere you not do, if you mistakenly play come our way, the way you want I will go give you. I must not join one society before me officially mobilize like you. I must not join. No, we are men as well. So, because you did one organization, not make you feel say you yourself stop and pass way for the street. Now two different things. Now two different